minimum wage earners in Metro Manila will receive an increased daily income of 780 pesos starting January 2027. Now, this development came after the Regional Tripartite Wages and Productivity Board National Capital Region approved an 85 peso increase to be implemented in 2 phases, according to Labor Secretary Francis N. Tolentino. Agricultural workers and those employed in retail, service, and small manufacturing establishments will have a lower minimum wage increase to 743 pesos from 658 pesos per day. Experts say that the above 10% minimum wage increase could be difficult for some companies, particularly MSMEs that make up over 90% of businesses in the country.
Mga Kanet 25, this is Cesar Vallejos of Open for Business. For more updates, just click the subscribe button and follow us on Net25 social media pages at Net25 TV and at Net25 Entertainment Facebook pages.